Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
I want to win the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's our home. It's a space station.
Good morning. Good fine, standing by. me a better health check at the end of it.
Hey, you know what? There's another thing you might know about.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Hands off, bro!
Oh yeah, it is.
Two destinies in Mars. Those are dense, and those are the light.
When you go surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that was cool.
To infinity.
There's a place beyond the sky where your souls come alive, and with a leap of faith, you'll find your spirit guide. A holy world, where the beginnings never get old. You can ride the way that seems impossible. If you're feeling small, you can fly away, and new adventures coming your way. And tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go, right where you wanna be. The magic feels like memory, and if we wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. We can be you and a hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with wings that soar. Use up some your heart to prepare for the dark. Because the night's a day and it's far from where you start. When you start to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, fly away. The new adventures coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like memory, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. We can be you and a hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. There's another way to go.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.